Hello remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is Delphine with another worldwide opportunity. Work from home, work from anywhere. Yes, remote job worldwide. Okay, so today I have this remote full stack JavaScript developer. Okay, so the position is remote full stack JavaScript developer, full time, and you can work from anywhere around the globe. Yes, this job was posted on July 19th. Yes, today as I speak, and only 118 applicants have applied, as you can see on the screen. And this is the job description. They say we are looking for full stack JavaScript developer to work on our front end and back end application. So this is the job description. We are looking for full stack JavaScript developer to work on front end and back end application. So the responsibility is to produce a clean, effective code based on specification, integrate software component and third-party program, verify and deploy program and system. Okay, troubleshooting and drag and update exciting software, gather and evaluate user feedback, and so many more. So the requirements: 5 to 8 years of experience as a software developer engineer, full working proficient in English, must be self-motivated. So they have competitive pay, work from anywhere you want, flexible working hour. They have a holiday allowance as well. So if you're interested, go to this website, workremotely.com, and apply. Let's move on to this other job that we have. We have this remote freelancer from our website at Adapt Institute. As you can see, it's work from anywhere around the globe. So we are seeking for experienced website redesign specialist with a strong background in farmer sites to help us enhance the functionality of our exciting website. So total work required: conduct a thorough review of our current website, create responsible user-friendly design, utilize farmer site to implement design changes, implement search engine optimization best practice to increase our site visibility and ranking. So this is the job, and you can see the website. It's all about to design the website again and be remote freelancer from our website at this company. So guys, if you're interested, go ahead and click here and apply. Okay, so as you can see, this is their website. You can go ahead and sign up, or you can sign up to apply by clicking here. So yeah, moving on to the other jobs we have today. If you go to this simplyhired.com and write maybe writer and write remote, let's say this Google ad writing and service. Okay, you can see this is Google ad writing and service and support for non-profit clients. This job is part-time job, and it's from this company, Bunchpole Software. Okay, and let's see the job summary here. This job was posted 3 hours ago as I make this video. It's full-time, and this is their pay. Okay, the benefits here: they pay part-time off, also they have work from home opportunity, and also flexible schedule as well, so you can work at your own flexible schedule. So we have this other qualification: marketing, creative writing skills, Google Tag Manager, JavaScript, customer support, 1 year of experience. Okay, this is okay, and also marketing. So guys, if you're interested to become Google ad writing services and support for non-profit clients, you can visit this website. Okay, this is their website. Visit this website and go to apply to this job. Okay, so let's see this technical writer. This job was posted 2 hours ago, and this is their pay: $29 per hour. It's from this company, Avispa Technology. Okay, this company is located in Seattle, Washington, and also they have these benefits: health insurance, dental insurance, vision, and so many more. They have qualification, writing skills, journalism, bachelor degree, technical writing, 2 years of experience, communication skills, and also you have experience in editing, only 2 years of experience. The company name is Avispa Technology. You can visit the website and apply to this technical writer. Yes. Moving on to this other job, AI model training, seeking writing expert to define large language model. So it's all about US. This 5 years ago, and they have posted the job $20 to $60 per hour. And this job is on Appen. Appen is a website where you can find all these kind of jobs, guys, which you can get those tasks and perform the task and get paid. Actually, Appen is a website. I made a video particularly to Appen, and many people are getting jobs on Appen. As you can see, this is a job all about AI model training. You can train AI and then get paid on Appen, as you can see, and they have qualification: writing skills, no experience needed, English, master's degree, proofreading, AI teaching, also under 1 year of experience. Are you a writing communication expert to read substantial contribution in world of AI, interested in leveraging our writing skills to improve advanced language model? So Appen community is expert and worker to help creating and improve AI generated content, applying their subject matter. Okay, this is the job. You can work from here. We have a paid project opening now requiring 10 to 15 hours of work, and so don't hesitate to apply now and dive into the exciting world of AI model training. So, as you can see, you have to know English language, excellent attention, all these guys, and they have the benefits: flexible hours. You can work at your own hour. Yes, you can do this as your part-time job or your side hustle and make money online. Yes, there is remote work, competitive compensation, opportunity to clean and work in AI, and make a positive impact on development of AI industry, opportunity to expand to AI related objects. So guys, even if you have your job, you can still apply to this job and then get to see if you can get this extra money in your pocket. All right, again, it's only under 1 year of experience, which means there is no experience required to this job position. So there is another job here. It's a Sarvania's copywriter. As you can see, this job was posted 10 years ago and it's from this company. It's all about AI again, for those who are interested in AI. So required experience. As you can see, you have to have fluent in English, copyright experience, opportunity to work only 2 to 5 hours per week, which means you can apply to this job even if you have another job. All right, so it's all about part-time. If you work maybe $25 per hour and then you work 5 hours a week, you can see how much money you can work, and the location is remote. So again, the company is Drawing AI. There is this job again for writer, UX writer. You can be a UX writer to this company. Info3 Global Solution, this is the company name. Yes, the job was posted 9 hours ago as I make this video, and the application. So the qualification here is to have writing skills, Microsoft skills, and also 3 years of experience, bachelor degree, yes, experience UX, journalism, SharePoint, copywriting, and so many more. So Guys, if you have at least these 3 years of experience working as a copywriter, you can apply to this job. So guys, on this website simplyhired.com, they have so many jobs actually. So let's say if you type part-time jobs, right, evening, and then come to filter here 24 hours and then search, you have to make sure you filter 24 hours so that they give you update jobs. You can see this is another technical writer from this company, Candaris. Yes, you can apply to this one as well. Guys, this is the job that I had for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you find any value in this video, please go ahead and like the video, share with your friends, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Have a great time. Bye bye.